Introduction. Are you tired of being overwhelmed by your daily tasks? Imagine if you had a personal assistant that could help you work smarter, not harder. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 game-changing ChatGPT hacks that will boost your productivity, save you hours of work, and get more done in less time. Stick around, because hack number 10 is a total lifesaver. Introduction to ChatGPT. But first, what is ChatGPT? In case you didn't know, ChatGPT is an AI tool that can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having a super intelligent robot that can do everything from answering emails and summarizing information to even generating fresh ideas on command. Hack number 1: Instant Brainstorming. Let's jump into hack number 1, Instant Brainstorming. Stuck on a project? ChatGPT can instantly help you generate ideas. For example, if you're working on a blog post, just ask, "Give me 5 unique ideas for an article about time management," and bam! You'll have more ideas than you know what to do with. See the result generated just by simply typing your request. Hack number 2, Drafting emails in seconds. Whether it's for work, networking, or personal matters, drafting emails can take a lot of time. Just tell ChatGPT what you need. For example, write a professional email to my boss asking for feedback on my latest project. And just like that, you've got a perfectly worded email. Before we jump into the next productivity hack, let me ask you this. Are you getting value from these tips so far? Imagine what your life could look like if you mastered AI tools like ChatGPT and truly unlocked your productivity potential. If you want to keep learning powerful AI hacks like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm sharing all the latest tools and tricks to help you get more done in less time. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. So, click subscribe, and let's crush those productivity goals together. Ever wonder how to automate repetitive tasks? Ask ChatGPT for tips, like, how can I automate my daily social media posts? You'll get valuable suggestions and tools that can cut down your workload drastically. Hack number 4 is a lifesaver, summarizing long reports or articles. When you don't have time to read long documents, just paste them into ChatGPT and say, "Summarize this for me in 3 sentences." Boom! You've got the key points without spending an hour reading. Hack number 5, Task Prioritization. Ever feel overwhelmed by your to-do list? Just paste it into ChatGPT and ask, "Help me prioritize these tasks based on importance and deadlines." Watch how ChatGPT arranges them logically, helping you focus on what's important. On to hack number 6, Writing content with ease. Need a quick blog post, report, or social media caption? Just give ChatGPT a topic, and it'll generate content in seconds. For example, write a 200-word Instagram caption about staying motivated. Now you've got a post ready to go. Hack number 7 is super powerful, learning new skills faster. Whether you want to learn coding, marketing, or a new language, ChatGPT can provide bite-sized lessons. Just type, "Teach me the basics of Python in 5 easy steps." And watch how fast you can learn. Let's talk about meetings with hack number 8, creating meeting agendas. Don't waste time drafting agendas from scratch. Ask ChatGPT, create a 30-minute meeting agenda for discussing project updates. It'll structure your meeting efficiently. Hack number 9 is for all the coders out there, code debugging. Just paste your code into ChatGPT and say, "Find the error in this code." ChatGPT will point out the issue and help you fix it instantly. And finally, hack number 10, Daily Planning. Start your day with ChatGPT by asking, "Help me plan my day for maximum productivity." It'll suggest a time-blocked schedule that helps you stay focused and organized throughout the day. These 10 hacks are just the tip of the iceberg. If you found this helpful and want more tips on how to maximize productivity with AI, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Also, comment below which hack was your favorite, and if you've got any cool AI tips, share them with us. Let's all level up together.